Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear friends? I hope you are safe and sound. I am also very fine. I am Ramjan Ali here. Today I am going to teach you about something. During in the previous class, I taught you the students of class 10, unit 10, lesson 3. I had dreams. They had dreams part 1. Pritilata Adhita. Now look at the whiteboard. Here is a tree. You can see here is a tree, and that tree is, we know, a tree has so many roots. My question is, does human being have any roots? Does human being have any root or roots? Think. You have got my point. Yes. According to my viewpoint, yes. Like the tree, or like a tree, human being has also roots. The root of the tree is seen, and the root of human beings is unseen. That is the difference between roots of tree and roots of human being. So, my dear friends, today I am going to present a class before you. Unit 12, lesson 2, my roots. Before the beginning of my class, I want to ask a question. What is the aim of education? We are getting education, but does any aim of us? I think you can say yes, sir. I have an aim. Yes. What will be the aim? What is the aim of receiving education? Only for getting job, or otherwise, other things? Of course, besides jobs, we have also an aim to be a human being. Really, we want to take education or receive education. Then by dint of this education, we want to be a human being. That is the main aim of getting education. Now, my dear students, please look at the text of class 9 and 10. Open at page 156 and unit 12, lesson 2. The text, you can see here there are so many sentences that are told by the great man in the world. You can read this, and now I will teach you the text. Moinul Islam with Bangla meaning. Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Nawgar. মইনুল ইসলাম হচ্ছে নওগাঁর একজন কোয়ালিফাইড, মানে দক্ষ একজন কৃষক, যোগ্য কৃষক. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. Actually, Mr. Islam was meritorious during his student life. Now he is also meritorious. He took his education from Bangladesh Agricultural University in Mymensingh. He has completed his master's honors degree and master's degree from Bangladesh Agricultural University, and the university is situated in Mymensingh. He then came back home and started advanced farming. He then came back after taking his education or graduation and master's degree from Bangladesh Agricultural University. Then he returned to his native village and started farming. Advanced farming, that means modern technology based farming. He has two brothers who are graduates in different disciplines. Yes, we have already known a information. He has two brothers, and his brothers have also graduated from Russian University on different disciplines. The specialty of the Islam is that they all are living in their village and all are renowned in their own fields. My dear student, look at the point that there is a special quality, that is the special characteristics of the family of Moinul Islam. And what is the special quality? They are living in their village. That means that the three brothers, including Moinul Islam, live in their own village, and all are very renowned, all are very remarkable because in their own fields, because they live, though they are very highly educated person, but they live in their village. When we get education, then we want to live in city, but mind it, they live in their own native village. Mr. Islam's younger brother, who is a Russian University graduate, is a science teacher in local school. Mr. Islam's younger brother, that means next to Islam, his brother has completed his graduation from Russian University, and he joined as a science teacher in a local school. His youngest brother is a social science graduate who likes to start a local NGO to work for this area. Now, my dear students, the youngest brother of Mr. Islam has completed his graduation. Now he wants to start a job in a local NGO in his area. When he asked, what makes you decide to stay here in this village, Mr. Islam is asked a question. Mr. Islam, why do you come to return to your village, come back to your village? Mr. Islam smiled and said. Then Mr. Islam became joyous and he said, look, it's true, we could leave this village for city life. How magnanimous Mr. Islam is. Think, I could be banker or my brother could be bureaucrats. Bureaucrat means an officer who belongs to government office and his position is very high. That is bureaucrat. I could be banker. He thinks he want to make understand the questioner. Maybe they will be banker, bureaucrat or high officials, but it didn't attract us. The higher post and the highest post could not attract them. We are sons of the soil. He revealed the truth. They are, and I also, the sons of Bangladesh. Yes, we have education, but does education prepare a person only to be an officer? What is the main purpose of education? The main purpose of education is to get good job and better salary? No. The truth has been exposed here openly, and we also consider the opinion of and the decision of Moinul Islam. Don't we have any obligation to the soil that has made us what we are? Look, every person has obligation to their birthplace. Moinul Islam also tries to make us understand. But as students, he also added that Mr. Islam added another information. Not every educated individual should be a job seeker. That means the main purpose of our education should not be a job seeker, should not be to get a job. There is another purpose of acquiring our education. In response to a question whether they had any frustration living in a village, he confirmed that. That means the questioner, the person asked another question: has there any frustration to live in their own village? Mr. Islam, and they were indeed very pleased with their life. He assured, Mr. Islam assured, I work in my own farm, stay with my family members, pass time with my old friends, and sleep at my own home. All this count a lot. Right? That means he wants to clear. Okay, my dear student, Mr. Islam is not frustrated. He has not been frustrated to live in their own village. Rather, he is very happy. He works in his own farm. Then he sleeps in his own house. Then he moves and he gets companion with his own old friends. That's a lot for him. Now, my dear students, come to the last para. Mr. Islam is right. Yes, the writer of the text want to clarify that he is right. His notion, what he announces in him is right, not wrong. Many people go to cities and forget or lose their roots knowingly and unknowingly. That means when we become an educated person, then we want to live in city. We want to live with the luxury of city life, of city. We do not want to return to our village. Mr. Islam and his brothers are great. Here, the question maybe there is a question: why? Why are the brothers of Mr. Islam are great? They haven't forgotten their roots. That is the magnanimity of Mr. Islam's family. They not only stuck to their own roots, they have been torchbearer for others to be respectful of their roots. Actually, the morality, the message of the text has been exposed at the last line of the text. Look, Mr. Islam and his brother will be the torchbearer. That means the harbinger. They will tread a path. On this path, many educated person will go through the path, trodden path. So, Mr. Islam is the torchbearer, harbinger. Okay, and everybody should respect their roots. I think I also should respect my roots. My dear student, then I will. My dear student, look at the whiteboard. Here, I have written 6 questions. What type of farmer is Mr. Islam? Mr. Islam is a qualified farmer. Describe in 2 sentences about Mr. Islam's educational qualification. You have to write in 2 sentences about the education of Mr. Islam. Mr. Islam has completed his education from Bangladesh Agricultural University, and the university is situated in Mymensingh. It may be, and you can also describe in your own way. What is the specialty of Islam's family? The answer will be, the specialty of Islam's family is all the 3 brothers live in their own village, though they are highly educated. What is the purpose or aim of education? Actually, it is very difficult to describe. According to the text, I can answer in my own way. In this way, the purpose or aim of education is to show respect to our roots, not to forget our roots. We should bind with our roots, bind to our roots. Mind it. Then, next question: why is Mr. Islam happy to live in his native village? Why is Mr. Islam happy? Actually, Mr. Islam is happy to live in his or their own village because he wants to work in his own farm. Then he can slave in his own house. Then he can accompany his old friends, and he can also write according to the text, like stay with his family members is very important information according to the text. You can add it to the answer of the question. Mr. Islam and his brothers are great. Why are they great? This line has been extracted from the text. That is why I have put here inverted commas. Why are they great? The question is here. Why are they great? Because they are great because they do not forget their roots. They return to their native village and work for the people of their own village, and they want to develop the areas where they were born. So my dear students, you can also practice more. You can follow Advanced Learners book model question, and you can also follow Navadut. You can also follow Panjari and so on. So stay with me and practice more, and then you will be a perfect man in future. Stay with me again. So goodbye. Today is the end here.